Hello everyone, this is Heading. Welcome back. In this video, we are learning chapter 4.3, properties of logarithms. In previous class, we have learned some properties, but now we'll learn some new properties. If we have log base b, x to the 8th power, then I can bring the a to the front. And I'm having a times log base b x. If we have log base bm times n, that equals log base bm plus log base bn. If we have log base bm over n, inside we have division. And then I can split it into two terms, log base bm minus log base bn. So inside multiplication, outside is addition, inside the division, outside is subtraction. All right, let's use these three properties to simplify the form. So first, let's split the log 100 x to two parts. We know that inside of the log, we have multiplication. We're using the second property. We can have 2 log 100, two terms, log 100 plus log x. If I can continue to simplify the terms, I can do that. We know that log 100, the base is 10 because it's a common log. So we can rewrite 100, which is 10 squared. So squared, and log base 10 and 10, they can be canceled. I have 2. Don't forget log x. So we have plus log x. And this one we use the property we have learned in chapter 4.3. You can also say, we have learned the first property here. I can bring the 2 in front, and then log base 10, 10 canceled. We have the 2 left. All right, let's see next one. Which property I'm using? The division one, right? We have ln e to the 7th divided by 11. I can separate the top and bottom. ln to the 7th minus ln 11. The first one can be simplified. ln e, they can be canceled. I have 7 left. Or if I'm using the property in chapter 4.3, I can bring the 7 in front. 7 times ln e minus ln 11. ln e is 1. So 7 minus ln 11. Example 3, I think I need more space. Let's get more space. So first, I know that inside of the log, I have division. I can make a subtraction outside the log. So I have log base 5, 25 minus log base 5 square root of x plus 1. Then what is 25? 25 is 5 squared minus log 5. Then I want to convert the square root of x plus 1 to the x plus 1 to the 1/2, because I know that square root is the power 1/2. Why I'm doing this? I know I can bring the power to the front by the property, the first property. And then I can bring the 2 in front. I have log base 5, 5. It can be canceled. Minus, bring the 1/2 in front. That's the power. We have log base 5 x plus 1. Then we have 2 minus 1/2 log base 5 x plus 1. If the question asks, convert to the form that we don't have a power, and also we don't have division or multiplication in the log. So we need to break it down into 2 parts. Sometimes we have more items inside of the log. We can break it down into the several parts. All right, let's see next example. We have log base b, x cubed times y squared divided by z to the fifth. So top and bottom can be separated. Log base b. Sorry, it's noisy. X cubed y squared. This is multiplication minus log base b, z to the fifth. Then this is multiplication. I can separate them. That's a log base b, x to the third plus log base b to times so y squared minus log base b, z to the fifth. Let's get rid of the powers. I can bring the power in front. 3 log base b x plus 2. Bring the 2, bring the 3, bring the 5 in front. 2 log base b y minus 5 log base b z. All right, let's see next example. Oh, we need to combine 2 logs. If they have the same base, yes, they have the same base, log 5. So I can combine them, log base 5, then inside is multiplication, x times 17. We can also say bring the 17 in front, 17x. Number 6, here is subtraction, inside of the log is division. If they have the same base, log, the base is 10, so we have 2x minus 7 on the top, x at the bottom. So if I have another example, if I have log base 5 and x and plus log 2, sorry. Can you combine these two? No, they must have the same base. The base here is 5, the base here is 10. You cannot squish them together. They must have the same base. Then you can use the property. All right, let's see next example. Example 7. This is a very short video. So how to combine these 3 terms? They must have the same base. For example, the base is ln, the base is e. Then I can combine them. But there is something in front of the ln. Can you combine them? No, because the property we have learned is log base b. I don't know the variables here. So put the x plus the log base b, y. Then I have log base b, x times y. They don't have a constant, or the constant here is 1, here is 1. So they don't have the numbers like 4 and 3 and 6. So how to combine them? I need to move them back to the power for each variable. So move the 4 to the power of the x. ln x to the 4th minus ln y cubed minus ln z to the 6th. Only move the constant numbers without moving the negative sign. And then they have the same base. And also, there's no constant, or the constant is 1 in front. Don't change the sign here. All right, let's combine them. The first 2 terms, that's ln x to the 4th times y cubed minus ln z to the 6th. Now we have subtraction. The inside is division, x to the 4th, y cubed divided by z to the 6th. All right, we are done for this video. I hope you have learned something, and this part is easy. Do not miss a point in your exam. Have a good day. Bye.